In this video, we will learn about force. So let us start this topic by giving a general introduction to this topic. In our day-to-day life, we always do some work, and for that work, we do some effort. For putting in that effort, we do it in the form of a push or a pull, and that push or a pull is needed to maybe put a stationary object into motion, or we can accelerate an object, or we can retard. That means we can decrease its speed. We can stop an object which is already in motion, or we can change the direction of that object. Such a push or a pull is called a force. A force is something which cannot be felt, it cannot be seen. A force can only be understood by seeing its effects. So let us discuss the effects that the force produces. So the first effect which a force produces is it can start motion in an object which is at rest. So let us consider a football which is kept on ground and it is at rest, and we kick that ball, so it will start moving. So we can say that we have applied some force on that ball. And the second effect is it can change the speed of a moving object. There is a football, we kick it, and we can change the speed of that football. We can stop that football at our feet, and also we can change the direction of motion of that football. So, in all these examples, we say that a force has been applied to that ball. Now, moving on to the last point, a force may change the shape or size or both of an object. In other words, a force may deform an object. So, let us say we have a sheet of paper and we crumble it into a little ball. We can say a force has been applied to that sheet of paper. So on the basis of the previous discussion that we have already done, let us now study the formal definition of force. So a force is that external push or pull acting on an object which changes or tries to change the state of rest or of uniform linear motion of an object or changes the direction of motion. A force may also change the shape and size of an object. So these are the effects of force which we have already studied, be it changing the state of motion of an object, or be it changing the direction of motion of the object, or be it changing the shape and size of that object. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.